You don't need a big yard to grow your own food. Stay right here because I'll show you exactly how to start a mini vegetable garden anywhere. Hello, my friend. It's so lovely to have you here with me today. I want to talk about something truly magical, growing delicious, fresh food right outside your door, even if you don't have a traditional garden space. Imagine stepping onto your balcony to snip fresh basil for your pasta, or grabbing a handful of sweet cherry tomatoes from a pot by your window. It's not just possible, it's wonderfully simple and rewarding. This small act connects us to our food and brings a touch of nature into our daily lives, no matter how small our home might be. The joy of gardening is for everyone, not just those with sprawling lawns. Growing vegetables in containers on a patio, a balcony, a sunny windowsill, it can be an incredibly fulfilling experience. It saves you money on groceries, makes your space feel more alive and green, and puts the freshest possible ingredients at your fingertips. First things first, let's talk about choosing your containers. This is the foundation of your small space garden, so it's an important choice, but a very easy one. You can use almost anything: traditional terracotta pots, plastic planters, 5-gallon buckets, wooden crates, fabric grow bags. The single most important feature is drainage holes at the bottom. This is non-negotiable. Plants don't like wet feet. Without drainage, water pools and roots can rot. If a perfect pot has no holes, drill a few yourself. Now let's think about size. Match pot size to the plant. Smaller plants like herbs and lettuce are happy in pots about 6 to 8 inches deep. Larger, hungrier plants like tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini need more root room. For a single tomato, a 5-gallon bucket is excellent and inexpensive. Better to give a little extra room than too little. More soil buffers drying and feeds roots. Material matters a bit. Terracotta breathes but dries fast. Plastic retains moisture. Fabric grow bags air-prune roots for a healthy, fibrous system. Choose what suits your space and watering habits. Place a saucer or tray under each pot to catch excess water, protect surfaces, and create a small moisture reservoir. Now that your containers are picked out, you're well on your way. Next, let's choose what to grow. Now for the fun part, choosing which vegetables to grow. When you're starting out, pick plants that are easygoing and productive in small spaces. Start with leafy greens like loose-leaf lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard. Harvest the outer leaves continuously, and the plant keeps producing from the center. Great for salads and sandwiches. Radishes and green onions grow incredibly quickly from seed to harvest. So rewarding for new gardeners. Dreaming bigger? Look for bush or dwarf varieties. Skip sprawling, indeterminate tomatoes and choose patio or determinate types, still lots of delicious cherry or small tomatoes. For beans, choose bush beans. They stay compact and self-supporting instead of needing a large trellis. Peppers, sweet or hot, do exceptionally well in pots. Herbs are a must-have: basil, parsley, chives, mint, thyme. Keep a little collection by the kitchen door or a sunny windowsill. Keep mint in its own pot. Pinch herb tops regularly for bushy growth and more harvest. Read seed packets for mature size and container suitability. Start small with 2 or 3 types. Better a few healthy plants than too many to manage. As you gain confidence, expand next season. Now let's give these plants the best possible home. Section 4, the secret to success: soil, water, and sunshine. A truly vibrant, productive garden comes down to good soil, the right water, and plenty of light. Let's start with soil, the heart of your garden. Never use soil from your yard. It's heavy, compacts easily, and can carry pests or diseases. Use a high-quality, lightweight potting mix instead. At Vibrant Gardens, we're passionate about soil health. We build our own organic soil mixes and start seeds in soil blocks, giving plants the healthiest start, free from unknown additives. At the store, pick a potting mix labeled for containers. If possible, certified organic to avoid synthetic chemicals in your food. Enrich the mix with compost or worm castings. They add slow-release nutrients and beneficial microbes that feed the soil and your plants. Fill containers and leave about an inch of headspace. Headspace prevents spills when you water. Watering can feel tricky, but it's simple once you get the hang of it. Containers dry faster, especially on warm, windy, sunny days. Check by touch. If it's dry an inch down, water. If still moist, wait a day. This simple test prevents over and underwatering. Water thoroughly, pour slowly and evenly, and stop when water runs from the drainage holes. That soaks the whole root ball. Avoid wetting leaves. Use a gentle rose on your can. In peak summer, you may water every day. Make it a peaceful morning or evening routine. Section 5. Nurturing your garden and enjoying the harvest. Most vegetables are sun lovers and need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. Before you set up, take a day to observe your space. Watch where the sun falls on your balcony, patio, and windowsill, and for how long. The sunniest spot is prime real estate. South or west-facing spots are wonderful for tomatoes, peppers, and beans. Place them there to soak up that energy. Only have a few hours of direct sun? Don't despair. You can still grow a wonderful garden. Lettuce, spinach, kale, carrots, and radishes can do fine with just 3 to 4 hours per day. Rotate pots a quarter turn every few days for even growth. As plants grow, they use up nutrients. Feed every 2 to 4 weeks during the season. Use a balanced organic liquid fertilizer. Follow the label's dilution. While feeding, check for pests and remove yellowing or dead leaves. Pinch herbs to keep them bushy. A little attention goes a long way. The best part is the harvest. Picking your own food is pure joy. Lettuce and herbs are cut and come again. Don't be afraid to snip what you need.